Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Crafts and Arts. Today we're going to be drawing a watermelon, which is a little bit eaten. So first we're going to draw like a curved line over here. And just follow it, draw another line. And then we're going to connect it. There we go. Now we're going to draw like a line going this way, and we're not gonna go down from this way, we're gonna go up and stop here. Now we're gonna draw the bitten part where it is 18. So there we go, we have the bitten part. Now we're gonna draw the eyes, so we're gonna draw one here and one here. Draw a big highlight and a small highlight. A big highlight and a small highlight. Now we're gonna just shade it all in. Shade all the parts where, don't shade the highlights in. Keep them there. So just keep shading. So now we have the eyes. Now we're gonna just draw the seeds. Just little black dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just draw them in random places. Oh, and there is gonna be the mouth. It's gonna be happy. So you're gonna just draw the smiley face, and you can draw like a tongue sticking out or anything like that. That looks weird. You can just be like 2 teeth sticking out. You can do like all the types of faces. So that's it. See you guys in the next video. Give it a subscribe and a like if you want to.